Hi, my name is Jay. I'm going to show you how to make QR codes. So what are QR codes? According to Wikipedia, the quick response code was first designed by the auto industry in Japan, but is now widely popular due to its fast readability and greater storage capacity compared to the standard UPC barcode. Many sites will help you create a QR code. Just Google that. For instance, create QR code, and you get a ton of sites there that you can go to and check that out. You put in information, they create the code, you download an image file of that code to use in your print material. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a site called scan.me. It's what I use for QR codes for our various businesses and other things. The advantages here, scan.me has scan pages that take your users to a mobile phone site that has multiple options to click on your website or a particular page for you, or contact information and so on. They also have enhanced code images that have frames and titles on them. You can sign up for a free account there, and that way you can track the number of scans for your QR codes. It'll tell you how many people have scanned your code and used it. So I kind of like that. Scan.me also has smartphone apps for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Although your customers or users can also use the Google app to scan codes using the Google Goggles option in the Google app. So for our first QR code, I'm going to be creating a code for our business website at uniquelytailored.com. So in scan.me, just select create a code. In this case, since we're going to a website, I'm going to choose the website option there and enter the URL. We're going to do uniquelytailored.com. Click next. And we can update the information in this page here. I'm just putting in a name for that, header text, and you'll see some of the stuff change on the image there to the right. As you see, I put in our name there and it just threw that up to the top of the image there. I leave the download free app at get.scan.me down at the bottom for the footer text, because that may help people if they don't know how to scan that code with their phone. I'm going to take the URL out of there because to me that just ends up being confusing. So there we go. I'm going to leave the block color the way it is. And also, just for fun, you can change the block shape, and evidently this doesn't affect how the phone reads it. So the default is square, but you can change them to circles or do rounded squares, which is kind of cool. But for the purpose of this, I'm going to leave it as square. So, and then you just click submit, and it comes up there with, you see your dashboard with Uniquely Tailored. The analytics there shows you what I was telling about before, how it will track how many people scan that code because it comes through this site. And you can manage this stuff here by editing that and downloading or deleting a code if you need to get rid of it. Let's see here. We're going to download this file. As you see, that comes up with a preview of the file. You can choose the file format and the size. Unless you know exactly what file format you need, just stick with the PNG and just click download. And as you can see down there at the bottom of my Google Chrome, it downloaded a PNG of that. So that's it. Now you just print that code on your promotional material, and customers, clients, family, friends, whatever, they'll be able to get to your content on their smartphones without having to type in some long website address. They just point and shoot, and they're there. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.